amazing benefits of essential oils is their ability to fight inflammation in your body and to boost your immune system. So in the oily community, we have a remedy for allergies. It's called the LLP. Yeah, you know me. Lavender's really strong anti-inflammatory properties make it very effective for helping to treat asthma. Lemon, you guys know how much I love lemon. Lemon supports lymphatic system drainage. So this little guy can discharge phlegm. It's very powerful stuff. It also eases scratchy throats. It can help with bronchitis, just clearing of the sinuses. Okay, so what you need to make this roller blend or this allergy blend relief is just those 3 oils. Those 3 oils come in your starter kit. So all you need is your starter kit to get going with it. So you got your oils, and then you either need a roller ball. Okay, if you don't have one of these, contact the person that signed you up. They will get you one. Or I'm gonna show you something really cool. What I do to make roller balls for my family is I take my empty bottles, okay, just take all the oil out, clean them out, and then you buy the toppers. You can buy them from Young Living for like 10 bucks. So this little 5 ml guy, you're gonna do 5. I'm gonna post the recipe. You're gonna do 5 drops of lemon, 5 drops of peppermint, and 5 drops of lavender, and then you're gonna top up the rest with any carrier oil, just a bigger molecule oil. Your oil in the roller bottle, you pop on your topper, and then you're good to go. Give it a shake. Some places that are really good to apply oil topically to your body for allergies would be just behind the ears, your temple, the top of your spine, the feet. That's always my favorite place to apply oils, especially on children. I also highly recommend diffusing the LLP. If you or anyone in your family has allergies, you just wouldn't use the carrier oil. You're either gonna put the drops directly into your diffuser or pre-mix a blend in another empty bottle. So put the Claritin and reactant aside, get out your kit, make up this blend, give it a try, let me know what you think, and let me know if you guys have any questions.